There is just one more thing you need to know about HTML element syntax, and that is in the cheat sheet. So if you simply scroll down, that is the last rule, and that is that some elements do not have a closing tag, but they are self-closing. So the rule for HTML elements is that you have to always close that element tag. So the instances that the image tag, the img tag, BR, HR, meta, and input, and there are some others as well. These are the common ones, do not have closing tags and hence do not have children. So they look like this. So there's the name of the element, attribute value, and the slash over here. The slash over here in the opening tag denotes that this is a self-closing tag. So let's see an example for it. Over here, I already told you there's a tag named BR that does that, and that is self-closing. So the BR tag basically is a line break. So let's say if you want space between this and this, these two paragraphs, let's say these two texts, you want space. What can you do? All right, can you hit enter over here? Oops. Can you simply hit enter, 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 save, and refresh? Is the space going to come in? No, no space came in after the paragraph. And that is with HTML, that whenever you put whatever number of spaces that you put over here, so let's say if I put a lot of space over here and I hit save and I refresh, the space does not appear. It only allows for one space. So let's say if you want a line break between this and this area, you will have to use a BR tag. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit tab and simply put in BR and hit tab and put a self-closing slash over here, save, refresh, and you see there's a line break. You see this is in the next line. If I want one more, I can simply copy it and paste it over here, make another one basically, and you see there's another line break. So the BR element is there for spaces. Now, one more thing I want to tell you is that let's say if you want a line, like a horizontal line, there's another element for that, and that's called HR. Or you can just remember with horizontal rule. So if I just do that and put a forward slash and I refresh, you see that HR element, the line, is over here. So these are the only rules that you will have to remember with HTML elements. And one last thing that I want to tell you is that one paragraph or any element can have more than one attribute. So it can have an attribute for ID, and I can hit space, and then I can put another attribute for, let's say, class. And we're going to learn all of these throughout this course and put whatever information over here. All right, so multiple attributes can be there for any element. So a span element also, this is the opening element. I can put an ID of whatever and space another attribute class for something else. All right, I can do all of that. Save, refresh, and there's no change because these are just attributes. We're going to learn about them in a future video. So now you know about everything about the syntax for writing HTML elements. And now I'm going to talk to you in the next video.